Welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. So we are going to go through a poll that US made, and to me, I don't know that this kind of thing is happening. I don't know that someone is calling their friends and trying to fake that he represents FBI just to threaten or create fear in them, and you cannot suspect any other person than the same people that are pushing hard and working to the nail to convince their friends to accept them. They are forcing themselves on their friends. So it's no longer a no thing. You can guess who the person that behind this attack. So CS made a post about it. I don't want to waste much of your time because this is the morning uh, broadcast. Okay, although I'm recording it, I'm not live. Okay, but please, before we go through it, I want you to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Okay, like the video. We see how far we can go on that. TS said, breaking today, February 12, 2025. I made a formal report to the FBI, Atlanta, Georgia, on the suppression, oppression, and buying of unarmed innocent Biafrans by Nigerian President Tinubu, Christopher Musa, and people like Bianca Ono. I love the way Biafrans are now removing the name Ojukwu from her name because that name Ojukwu shouldn't be attached to someone who choose to do trade by barter with the life of her own people. Even though the respect that her husband commands, some people are still dishing it out, passing it to her. But she's choose to live like her father. So we are not gonna go through about her sabotage, but the truth is that this is what she she have done against Biafrans, and all of you know you are aware of it. So it's not a new thing for us. So let's continue. I informed them about our independence in Lati, Finland, okay, on November 29th, 2024. Our PM Samonekpa, our leader Masamukan, and how Nigerian is, tracting our independence. So, did you notice something? For some of you that are claiming that she don't post about Masna Kano, she's not post about court case. These are eye service people that love to dwell in eye service, pretense by posting Masna Kano's court case or where he addressed judges in the court because he represented himself on the court in his own court case. The video has been trending, so sharing that video and reporting the issue, the problem from the state against Madam Kano, which of them between these two people who is actually doing something for Madam Kano, so that we can just if we decide to count on who is who, like check on the effort of everybody. You shared a post, a video of Madam Kano in the court, and someone take that bold step of going to FBI to report. Which of these two can you say that they are doing the needful for Masakano's release? Because I've seen many people from Nkere saying that she hate Masakano, that her hatred for Masakano is knows no bound. This is blah 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 blah. Everyone have right to say what they want to say, but the truth will always stand. You cannot just push it away. He said all information was well received and documented. Fine. For those calling, this is the where I picked like my I focused my attention. Okay, is this part where she talked about people calling number. I don't know what they want to achieve, but we know how desperate these people can be when it comes to being relevant and forcing them not just to gain ground, and they are using everything, but each of the thing anything they tried, Biafrans always follow the steps, and it can be decoded, and people know that for a very long time now. So, for those calling my number or any innocent Biafran's number using fake phone numbers and pretending to be FBI, the radar is on you. So any of you, if you are thinking that it's a joke, especially most of you that lives in Europe or in America, what you mean by radar is just a kind of their eyes on you to track you down. So, but come to think of it, what could be the reason for doing that kind of like pretending that you are tracking, you are FBI when you are not, lying and deceiving people? Not because for CS to say this simply means that other people have called her and someone is aware of it, pretending just to claim that he or she is, can get their friend down and scare them away so that they will start panicking. This kind of movie is very, very funny, but it's not something that anybody should be proud of. For those calling my number and any innocent Biafran number using fake phone numbers and pretending to be FBI, that's another thing because if FBI manage to catch you, eh, that one it won't be funny because that is impersonation in a very bad way. And people that are trying to impersonate, they are capable of getting you anywhere you are. So he said if the radar is on you, United States of Biafra is a sovereign state and must be protected. Self-defense is our right. He said, thanks, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, COS DPM, United States of Biafra. Now, the idea of these people, because few days ago it was reported that their lawyer issued a letter to CS warning her not to use PM name. You don't use this, don't use that, don't use. But when they registered everything, they said it's for Biafra because everything is now. Maybe he realized now that everything is on is in his name because the office in Maryland is in Obleke's name. That's why the broadcast that I shared yesterday. You maybe I think I commented on that. That he said, the part where he said that somebody's property, meaning talking to himself, trying to once years stay away that this thing belong to me. So anybody that want to follow Nkere and believe that they're doing the right thing, who do you think that is calling Biafran's number and what they want to achieve by doing so? Like I said, I don't want to say much on this video. Just that this kind of thing is something that, yes, we know that some of our people like to, drag power with that kind of thing. It must be me. I have been here before you, looking down on each other, insubordination and hatred that can be caused by envy or jealousness. Some people don't want to accept who they already are. They just want to, everything must go through them. Very, very, very funny. So we are gonna go through. Let us check some comments on this video because okay, this person said to protect the mandate is a do or buy affair. Then another person said Biafra is now, that's the mouthpiece. Said Biafra is now a nation. On Biafra independence we stand. Thank you, Your Excellency. And this is our sister. That is it. No rest for the wicked. Nigerian government and their enablers in Biafra land. And another person, Godaman, said, nice move. Chi Chinwa said, awesome, our deputy PM, the deputy prime minister, Biafran love you. We must surely be free. David said, thank you so much, my deputy prime minister. You have done well. These are, a lot of comments, and people are trying to share their own opinion, which is expected anyway. And this kind of thing, just that I would like to know the reaction of Nkere and their group on this post, because it's obvious that they are the one, even though CS did not call them out, but we know who else if not them. You understand? Who else? It's not one person. It's not two person. I believe there must have people have maybe have copied COS for this. Maybe she have gotten a lot of reports. That could be the reason why she made this post. And she confessed. She not confessed. She confirmed that in her number also had, is included. These guys are very, very fun. Anyway, my people, like I said, we are not going to go far on this video. Just trying to make a quick reaction to that. Thank you. And before you go, please like the video, very, very important, and subscribe to the channel. See you again. Bye bye for now.